Hi everyone, in this video I'm just going to have another example on the bisection method. So just looking at example 7a on page 246. We've got p of x is x squared take 12x plus 1. Now obviously we can't factorize it into linear factors, so we're going to use the bisection method to estimate the x-intercept. So we've got two estimates initially, so a equals 10, b equals 12. So from that we can say C is going to be halfway between those 2 points. Okay, halfway between them you're going to have C equals 11. So that's our first iteration. Now we work out what P of that number is. So P of 11. So we'll have 11 squared, take 12 times 11 plus 1. Put that in your... And you should get about 10. Negative 10. Okay, so because this number's negative, actually what I should have done to start with was P of 10, which is A, and P of 12. Work out whether this is greater than 0 or less than 0. So in your calculator again, on those two, will give you minus 19 and positive 1. Okay, going back to this, so because it's negative, okay, it's greater than this number, so our two new numbers is going to be, C is going to be between negative 10, same mistake as last time, 11 and 12. Okay, so it's going to be somewhere in between these 2 points. So doing it again, our new number, C2, we can say as 11 plus 12 divided by 2, so about 11.5. Check that, so P of 11.5, what do you get? Negative 4.75. Okay, getting close to 0. This was negative 10, this is negative 4. Okay, so we can say again this is negative, so our C is going to be between 11.5 and 12. Okay, so it's the same method each time. We can do it again, so C, our third time, will be halfway between 11.5 and 12. So halfway between them, about 11.75. So P of 11.75, again put that in your calculator. And we get negative 1.9375. Again, we're getting even closer to 0. So might as well keep going. So I can say C has to be between 11.75 now and 12. So somewhere between those 2 points, and I can do it again. So C halfway between 11.75 and 12. Okay, and so on and so forth. So each time we do it, we're going to get closer to 0. So that's example 7a. Now it actually asks, show that there is a 0 of each of the following in the interval. Okay, it's not really asking you to do all this. It's just asking you to say, well, because P of 10 is negative, P of 12 is 1, then we've got a estimate in between those 2 points. So on our graph, here's 10, here's 12. This question is saying, okay, we've got a quadratic. Now I'm not sure how this one goes. It's likely to be something like that, roughly. I don't know. Now what we did was p of 10. Well, that is this number here, which is negative. So it should have been. Sorry, scratch that. Okay, set of axes. Here's 10. Here's 12. Okay, and it's likely to be something like that. Now, at 10, we get a negative number here and a positive up here. Okay, because they're different opposite signs, it means our x-intercept is somewhere between them, as the graph can kind of show. So that's all the question was asking. I was just going through the method of what we do for the bisection, which will likely be question 8. There might be a few more in there. So that's the bisection method. It stays the same each time. Just check whether we've got positive and negatives, and then it's just halfway between the 2 points.